हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम आपके लिए अच्छे से अच्छे वीडियोस ला रहे हैं। अगर आप हेडफोन लगा के हमारे वीडियोस आखिर तक देखते हो और बार बार देखते हो तो आपकी अच्छी लर्निंग होगी और आपके अच्छे स्कोर्स यानी कि मार्क्स आएंगे। आप टॉपर स्टूडेंट बन जाओगे क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट। हम आपके लिए मेहनत से वीडियो बनाते हैं। सिर्फ हमारे लिए एक काम करो, हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करो, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करना ना भूलो, ताकि जब भी हम नया वीडियो बनाएंगे या कोई नया अपडेट आपके लिए होगा तो तुरंत आपको मिल जाएगा। हमारे वीडियोस को शेयर करना ना भूलो। आपकी पढ़ाई के लिए हमने एक खास ऐप बनाया है। इसमें आपके लिए होंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, क्वेश्चन पेपर्स भी आपको मिलेंगे इसमें। और इसमें सबसे अच्छी बात जो कि एमसीक्यू टाइप्स क्वेश्चंस यानी कि क्विज टाइप क्वेश्चंस होंगे। आप वहां पे टेस्ट दे सकते हैं और आपके तुरंत मार्क्स आपको मिलेंगे। आपका परफॉर्मेंस आप खुद चेक कर सकते हैं। ये ऐप आपको गूगल प्ले स्टोर पे मिलेगा। सिर्फ आपको सर्च करना है माई बेस्ट गुरु नाम से। थैंक यू एंड बेस्ट लक फॉर योर स्टडी।
Dear students, now learn the question answers of lesson number 8, Industry and Trade. Question number 1, A. Choose the right option and rewrite the sentence. 1. In 1948, Industrial Finance Corporation of India was formed for dash. Options are better development of the industrial sector, making available long-term loans to industrial projects, generating employment, determining the quality of finished goods, making available long-term loans to industrial projects. In 1948, Industrial Finance Corporation of India was formed for making available long-term loans to industrial projects. 2. The dash industry in India is called as the sunrise sector. Options are jute, automobile, cement, khadi and village industries. Automobile. Automobile industry in India is called as the sunrise sector. 3. The major responsibility of the textile committee is dash. Options are production of cloth, determining the quality standards of cloth, export of cloth, generate employment for people. Determining the quality standards of cloth. The major responsibility of the Textiles Committee is determining the quality standards of cloth. 4. Dadash is the major Indian city in the production of bicycles. Ludhiana. Ludhiana is the major Indian city in the production of bicycles. Question 1. B. Identify the wrong pair and rewrite the corrected one. 1. Industrial Finance Corporation of India makes long-term loans available for industrial projects. 2. Industrial Development Corporation, development of industrial sector. 3. Textiles Committee, welfare of weavers. 4. Khadi and Village Industries Commission, promotion of industrialization in rural areas. Answer: wrong pair. Textile Committee, welfare of weavers. Corrected: Textiles Committee sets the quality standards for textile manufacture. Dear students, now question number 2a. Complete the activity as per the given instructions. Complete the table. Goods imported in India, goods exported from India. Now, goods imported in India are technology, petroleum products, machinery, iron, steel, fertilizers, medicines. Goods exported from India are tea, spices, coffee, minerals, cement, precious stones, leather goods, cars, basmati rice, bicycles, tractors, jute, cotton, pearls. Question number 2. B. Write short notes on 1. India's imports and exports. Answer 1. When planning started in 1951, the import of industrial goods and raw material required for production increased. India's imports included machines, iron, mineral oil, fertilizers, medicines, etc. 2. India also gave impetus to exports after independence in order to gain valuable foreign exchange. 3. India's exports included tea, coffee, spices, cotton textiles, leather, footwear, pearls, precious stones, etc. 2. The internal trade of India. Answer 1. India's internal trade takes place via railways, waterways, roads, airways, etc. 2. Ports like Mumbai, Kolkata, Kochi, Chennai are important. 3. Commodities like coal, cotton textiles, rice, wheat, raw jute, iron, steel, oilseeds, salt, sugar, etc. are included in internal trade. 4. Now the trade in India is done through all over the country from one corner of the country to other. Question number 3. A. Explain with reasons. 1. The tourism industry has developed a lot in India. Answer 1. India has a rich cultural heritage. There are places of worship of different religions, pilgrimage centers, confluences of rivers, forts, caves, etc. all over our country. 2. Due to such marvelous attraction, tourists from our country as well as from abroad travel in India throughout the year. 3. The facilities of traveling, staying, etc. Guides are also available for giving information on the spot. Therefore, the tourism industry has developed a lot in India. 2. The quality of life and standard of living of Indian citizens is increasing. Answer 1. Due to the development of industries, the standard of life in the country improves. Many opportunities for employment became available. On the whole, it helps in the progress of the country. 2. Due to economical growth, the quality of life and standard of living of Indian citizens is increased. B. Write answers in 25 to 30 words. 1. What efforts are made by our government to promote agricultural industries? Answer. To promote the agriculture industries, government has taken many steps. They are 1. Loans are provided to farmers through rural banks and cooperative institutions. Tools and implements, seeds and fertilizers are also supplied. 2. The farmers are given training regarding soil testing, nursery of fruit plants, pisciculture, poultry, cattle and goat rearing, dairy farming, etc. Guidance is given to the farmers by a district level training institute. 3. Financial help is given to build warehouses for storing the farm produce. 2. How is employment generated in the tourism sector? Answer: 1. Tourism is a labor-intensive industry. It increases the employment in construction, transport, etc. fields. 2. Tourists require lodging facilities. This creates employment in hotel industry. 3. Tourists need vehicles to reach the destination. 4. In some remote and difficult to reach tourist places, the local people help the tourists in return for a fee. 5. In some places there are guides who give information to tourists about that area. They get money for that. 3. Which industries in India are based on forests? Answer: 1. Forest gives raw material for industries like construction, paper, newsprint, silk, matchboxes, medicinal herbs, honey, liquor, and raw material needed for paint. 2. Few industries based on forest and located in India are the paper industry, timber industry, sports industry, BD industry, matchstick industry, etc. 3. The sports industry is one of the largest of industries based on forest, wood, the cricket bat, wicket, hockey sticks, baseball sticks, etc. 4. Write a short note on leather industry in India. Answer: 1. It is a big industry in India and primarily export oriented. In India, the leather is prepared from the raw hide skin of different animals like buffalo, goat, cow, and sheep. 2. It is recorded that from total leather exports, 40% of buffalo and 30% of goat raw hide skins are used for leather. 3. India's leather industry has grown drastically, transforming from a mere raw material supplier. Leather is used to make a variety of articles including footwear, automobile seats, clothing bags, book bindings, fashion accessories, and furniture. Extra question: create a concept picture based on the chapter. 1. Industries in India. Industries. Vehicles. Textile. Agricultural and allied. Others. Khadi and village. In vehicles, cars and bicycles, tractors. In textiles, jute, cotton, silk. Agricultural and allied, food processing, fruit processing, dairy products, fish processing, poultry, cattle and goat rearing. In others, forest, salt, cement, travel tourism, iron and steel. In khadi and village, leather, sculpting, khadi, handicrafts, etc. 2. India's imports and exports. India's imports. Imports are technology, iron and steel, machinery, petroleum products, fertilizers, medicine. India's exports. Exports are cement, bicycle, precious stones and pearls, leather goods, tea and coffee, spices, cars and tractors, cotton textiles.
मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.